Welcome to Delph Stack. In this video, I will guide you on how to make a video call on Telegram using your laptop. Start by opening Telegram on your laptop. Once it's open, look at the top left corner and click on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From here, select Calls in the Calls window. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. In Settings, click on Speakers and Camera. Make sure your microphone is turned on so the other person can hear you. Also, check that your camera is active and working correctly. If your laptop has multiple cameras, you can select the one you want to use from this menu. After setting up your microphone and camera, go back to the main chat screen and choose the contact you want to call. Open their chat window, and at the top, you will see the call option. Click on it. A small pop-up will appear. Here, click on Start Video to begin the call. Now you just need to wait for the other person to accept the call. During the video call, you also have the option to share your screen. That's it. Making a video call on Telegram from a laptop is straightforward and only takes a few steps. Thanks for watching.